So we have a little progression coming down this way, and we're also going to just target this street. I guess it's going to be more random Ubud since I don't know exactly the name of the street here, but we're going to catch that right there, and we're going to give him a little bit of money as well. So stay tuned for that. So you can hear the music, and you can see the, so we're gonna come and check that all out. And actually the kids are coming right now too. We've been watching that, the kids will come and run and try to catch it. Let's see what they do. So those, I guess they're going over there because they got some money there. And we got this here. That's pretty cool.
Donation please.
Pretty cool though. Okay, so we're just gonna, I guess we're gonna end right there. It's gonna film more of the street, but you can kind of get an idea of the street as well. So we're gonna flip around the camera in a second. Then we're gonna go back and film. Let's get around a little bit. Random Ubud.